Hello and welcome. Now in this course, we will focus on different levels of output that you can use with your design creations in Canvas. So as an example, if we were to go into one of our previous designs, we can publish this in different levels of output. You've probably seen that in your drop-down menu. For example, we can look at using print posters, flyers, print invitations, letterheads, postcards, and other features. And we will look at those here. You also may have seen certain features that are only part of the Canva for Work bundle. And because that's a paid level, you may want to see what it's like before you pay for Canva. We will look at them in this course. And then we'll walk through an example of starting with a goal in mind, such as a Pinterest pin, a business card, a Facebook event, and a YouTube thumbnail. And we'll walk through that process to produce the element that we're looking for. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the first video. Welcome back. Now Canva does have output to business card. And what you may want to do is to use a business card design. And so you can type in business card design here in this area. You're going to click this button. It's then going to give you access to templates that you can use for a business card. Of course, then you'll be able to use one of the free templates. And you'll have it here in this area for you to be able to edit. What you can then do is you can then click this button that says Print Business Cards. Now, if you don't have that to come up, you'll typically see it available here in your right side menu. We're going to click that link. And you'll see then that you have the ability to have business cards ordered through Canva. What you can also do is you can also just print off your business cards. You're going to come to the second page and then you can click Continue. You're then going to be able to edit more your business card and then you'll click Continue. Once again, you're going to then do one final edit and then click Continue. And you'll then have a PDF proof. You'll then be able to download that PDF proof. You'll then be able to click Continue. Canva will make sure then that you have double checked your proof. You'll need to click the disclosure. You'll also need to agree to the terms of use. Once you've done that, you'll then click Continue. You'll then want to write in shipping details in order to print off your cards. And then you'll finalize the order to print your cards. You'll notice then that as of the recording of this video, there is specific pricing. You can price for the number of copies that you have. And you'll then be able to place the order with the card that you have on file. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now you can print design for a poster. So for example, if we were to write in poster, you'll see here that there are going to be suggested templates for an 18-inch by 24-inch poster. I'm going to click inside of that link. That's going to bring us to our templates that are event posters. We can choose one of these posters and then edit it. So once we've done that, then what we can do is we can come to our link where it says Print Posters. And then, of course, we can choose our posters and choose the size. And we can choose how many copies we're going to want of the poster. Once we've chosen our shipping option, we can then click Continue. Canva will give us some editing options. We'll then click Continue. We'll then remove the white edges and then click Continue. We want to make sure that nothing is spilling over into the danger zone. We'll then click Continue. We'll then get a PDF proof for us to look at through our browser. We'll then be able to look at our proof in PDF form. We'll then be able to complete our order. We'll then check off the disclosure. And we'll then click Continue. We'll then fill in our shipping. And then we can complete our order to have our posters shipped. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now you can also output your content into a flyer. And so what you can do is you can write in flyer into the search, you'll see a suggested link. You'll click that link. It's going to bring you into your canvas. What Canva is going to do is it's going to bring you into an area where you're going to have templates that are suggested for you to print off into flyers. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose one of these templates. You would then edit your flyers, and then you can click this button that says Print Flyers. Now obviously you can print this flyer and have it created through Canva, but what you can also do is you can download the document and download it as a standard PDF document. You're going to click this download link. What you're going to do is you're going to print this as a PDF. And you can print this as a high quality multi-page document. Image has premium images. So what we're going to do to walk through this process is we're going to pick a template that does not have premium images. And so basically all you would do is click this download button. Canva is then going to prepare the design, and then you're going to have a high quality PDF. You're going to save that PDF to your hard drive. You're then going to open up that PDF. You'll then have it available, and all you'll need to do then is you'll need to print it using your color printer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now you can create and have postcards printed. In order to do that, what you're going to do is write into the search bar, you're going to write in postcard. You'll notice then that the postcards are going to be 5.5 inches by 4.3 inches. You're then going to click into the canvas. You'll then notice that Canva will give you certain templates that you can use as postcards. Some of those templates are going to be free, others of them are going to be paid. So what we're going to do is we're going to use one of the free templates. And we're then going to click free. And what you'll notice is that there's going to be a front and back to this template. So we're going to add a page, and we're going to make the second page the second part of the postcard template. Once we've edited both pages, we're then going to click this button that says Print Postcards. You can then determine whether you want larger postcards and whether you want single-sided or double-sided postcards. You'll then select your printing options and your shipping options, and you'll then click Continue. Once you've determined that the design is what you want, you'll then click Continue. You'll then make sure that you don't have any bleeding. You'll then click Continue. And you'll then make sure that none of your content is cut off. You'll then click Continue. You'll then have your proof to make sure that it is going to be what you want. You'll be able to analyze the proof by PDF. Once you do that, you'll then be able to go back to complete the ordering process. You'll then go through your disclosures. You'll then click Continue. And then you'll click Continue. And then you'll put in your card that you have on file. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now you can also output to having invitations printed. And so what you can do here is you can go to the search bar, you can write in invitation. And what you'll notice is that you can do an invitation is 14 centimeters by 14 centimeters, or you can do an invitation which is 5 inches by 7 inches. Now in this case, we're going to choose the first invitation. Of course, what you'll do is you will choose a template. You'll then edit it to be what you want it to be. And then you'll go to this area that says Print Invitations. And what you'll notice is that you're going to be ordering invitations to be sent to you. And you can have envelopes done with them also. Or you can do the envelopes yourself. You'll then click Continue. You'll then go through your image quality and then click Continue. You'll then be mindful of your white edges and then you'll click Continue. You'll make sure that you don't have any bleeding onto the edges. You'll then click Continue. And then your proof will be generated. You'll then want to make sure that you're looking at your proof. You can then verify that your proof is what you want it to be. You'll then click the disclosure. You'll then click Continue. And then you'll go through the shipping process. Once you've completed it, you can then confirm using the credit cards you have on file. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, you've seen in different places around your dashboard this button that says upgrade, and this will allow you to upgrade to Canva for Work, which will give you access to other tools to create more designs. So in this case, all you would need to do is to click this upgrade button, and you'll notice that there are going to be some things that you're going to be able to do, such as with the brand kit, the resizing of your designs, to animate your graphics, and then to collaborate with more aspects of some of the content that you have, and then to export your designs with a transparent background. We're going to click try it for free for 30 days. You can choose whether you want to have the monthly or yearly option in order to upgrade in 30 days. What you'll do then is you'll write in your card number. Now, what you're going to want to be aware of is how many team members you have, because you will be paying for them when you upgrade. Once you do that, you'll then have access to 7 additional tools, which you will see here in your welcome screen. You'll also see it inside of any Canvas design screen where you click the More button. If you scroll down, what you'll see here is you'll see those 7 elements that come with Canva for Work. It will now review those features in the next videos. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to work with the Canva for Work resize option. Now let's assume that you are creating a poster design. And so by doing that poster design, you're going to pick a certain template. You're going to bring that template into your canvas. And then once you've used the template for the method that you want, it's possible that you may want to use it for another format. And so what you're going to want to do is to resize the template. And so basically, what the magic resize allows you to do is to take the existing design and make it ready for any of the other formats. So while we have a poster design, it's quite possible that we may want to turn this into a presentation. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click this button that says copy and resize. And this allows us to keep our design the way it is, as well as to create a resized document. We could just choose to resize the document as is and not make a copy. However, we are going to keep this design. So we're going to click copy and resize. So what Canva does is it then turns this into a presentation that we can then edit for a different use. And we can do this for as many times as we want. We can go back into the resize area, and we can determine that what we want to do with this is we want to turn it into a business card. However, we want to keep our design for our presentation. We don't just want to resize it, we want to copy and resize it. So then Canva goes through the process of turning this into a business card, which we can then use to either print as a business card or present. And that's how you use the magic resize. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now once you have Canva for Work, you will then have a fully functioning brand kit. So in other words, you'll be able to go to the brand kit. Once you open up the brand kit, you'll be able to add in more than 2 colors. Without Canva for Work, you can only add 2 colors to your color palette. So if you have other colors, you can add those colors here in this area. What you also have is you'll have certain font combinations that are suggested. However, you can change those suggested fonts here in this area that you're going to be using with your brand logo and all of the other content. In the brand kit, you can also upload a new font. Once you have the font you want, you'll need to confirm with Canva that you have the right to use it. You'll then click the disclosure. You'll then click yes, and then the font will then be uploaded to your brand kit. And you'll have access to it here. You'll also have access to your logo. So you'll be able to go to your hard drive and pull your logo into your brand kit. Once you have the brand kit, it will belong to your entire team. For example, if you were to create a design, you would then click on the form that you want to use. And if you wanted to choose a color, what you're going to see is that your brand colors are going to be there. And the same is going to be true for your entire team. Now, when you are editing your design, if you want to use a logo, all you'll need to do is to go inside of your folder. And what you'll notice is that you have your logos available to you here in your folder. And these are the logos from your brand kit. All you need to do is to click in and you'll be able to add those logos to your image. And when you're working with font in a design, what you can do is you can open up the design and you're going to open up your font. And what you'll notice is that you have your brand fonts here as well as your uploaded fonts. So if you want to change a font to one of your brand fonts, you can do that inside of your menu if you have Canva for Work. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, if you have Canva for Work, one of the things you can do is you can download your image as a GIF file or animated image. And so to do that, what you do is you'd go to your download area. You're then going to look for the file type. You'll then click on the drop-down arrow. You'll then choose animation, which will be enabled because you have Canva for Work. And it's in this panel that you can choose your animation style. And you'll see them here. And as you click on each one, you can see how the animation is going to perform once the image is created. Once you choose a particular animation style, then you can determine which file format the image is going to be downloaded in. So for example, we can choose that a file format will be MP4, or we can choose that the file format will be animated GIF. In this case, we're going to choose that this is going to be an animated GIF. We're then going to click Download. Canva will then prepare the design. You'll then be able to download the image to your hard drive. Once you do that, then what you can do is you can click on the animated image so that you can look at it to see if it meets your specifications. And you'll see that our image is now animated. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.